All right, let's make something seriously delicious. My Confit Lemon, bean, and green veg salad, paired with new potatoes and silky lemon butter. This is the kind of dish that screams summer, but honestly, I could eat it any time of year. First up, let's tackle those lemons. Grab a couple of unwaxed lemons, slice them thin, and lay them out in a small saucepan. Cover them with good olive oil, enough to just submerge the slices. Sprinkle in a pinch of salt and a little sugar. Set it over the lowest heat you've got and let it bubble gently for about half an hour. The lemons will go soft, mellow, and lose all their bitterness. Absolute magic. While the lemons do their thing, let's sort the potatoes. New potatoes are best, scrubbed, not peeled. Drop them into salted boiling water and cook until just tender. I give them about 15 minutes, but a fork should slide right in without resistance. Drain, and let them steam dry for that perfect fluffiness. Now green veg time. I like a mix. Think green beans, asparagus, maybe a handful of garden peas. Bring a pan of salted water to a boil and cook the veg for just a couple of minutes. You want them bright and snappy, not mushy. Drain and plunge them into cold water to lock in all that color and crunch. The butter sauce? Easy. In a small pan, melt a generous knob of butter. Add the zest and juice of a lemon and a pinch of salt. Let it bubble for a minute, then toss in your hot potatoes. Give them a good swirl so they're glossy and full of that lemony flavor. Now let's bring it all together. On a big platter, scatter the potatoes, arrange the green beans and veggies, and dot everything with those confit lemon slices. Drizzle over some of that lemony oil from the confit pan. Don't waste a drop. Finish with a handful of fresh herbs, dill, mint, or parsley, whatever you've got. A little black pepper, and you're golden. And there you have it. Confident, fresh, and packed with flavor. Serve it warm or at room temperature, maybe with a handful of toasted nuts for crunch. It's sunshine on a plate. Dig in and let me know how you get on.